Hello guys, welcome to my videos. Has to my thing.
Oh, I'm sorry.
My
You are
daddy
trying
is
to activate
working
the iPad
from
that you just purchased, ma'am?
the computer.
Okay, ma'am. I
Because
will transfer.
there's
I will transfer the
okay,
phone to customer.
we gonna
That's
get
customer care, not us. I'm sorry, ma'am.
freeze.
If you have been transferred
Freeze.
wrong to the wrong
Wait.
department, ma'am. It's customer care. Hold you.
Us. Yes, I got the
Yes, ma'am.
DC punch.
Customer care, ma'am, to assist you regarding that.
I got the DC punch. Yo,
Okay, just give me one moment.
we
Okay?
gonna what? Bye bye.
Okay, so just wait for the.
No, 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 no,